All right, we're good.
We're good.
So you can write down the names as I draw them. And then I'll just show, we have the list here, so you can check the list. If you want to swap teams with someone else, we can make that happen. But I'm just going to do the drawing on film here, so it's legit. So, I'm not looking. So the first participant name is Michael M. Those probably aren't going to show up on camera. Michael M. again.
All right, Michael.
Multiple slot buyer.
Yeah, he's got, what do you got, 9 slots or something like that?
Bob R.
Bob R. Number 3, huh? Good job, Bob.
We've got Jake, it looks like. Jake A.
Jake R.
We've got Alex.
Alex. Good luck, Alex.
We've got Martin. Some people
Martin.
phoned in their slots, and that's okay too. We've got Frank Z.
Frank Z.
We've got Martin again.
Martin. This is number 9 coming up.
We've got Martin again.
Martin again. He's got a bunch of slots too.
Multiple slot buyer.
4 slots.
We've got Michael M.
Michael M.
We've got Grant.
Grant. Good luck, Grant. That's one of your 2 slots, I guess, huh? Where are you, Grant? Where'd you go?
We've got Gabriel.
Gabriel.
Thank you.
How many slots did you end up with? Just a slot, no problem. Let's see, we've got
This is number 13 coming.
Jeff.
Jeff.
Which Jeff?
That was Jeff with no last name.
Jeff with no last name, just old Jeff.
So you gotta get last names.
That's right. I'm right here.
Brandon.
There it is, yeah, okay.
Brandon's next.
Brandon.
Brandon Fletcher.
That's
We've
Brandon's
got
first one.
Martin.
Martin again.
We've got Frank again. Frank
Frank.
Z.
Should be for Nathan, actually. We have Frankie and Frank.
So I'll put Frank.
Whatever names were written down is what went on the tabs here. Michael. M.
Michael M.
Morgan.
Michael M.
Aiden. E.
Aiden.
Probably cannot see these names on the camera. Jeff B. That's Jeff right here.
Jeff. And Max.
We've got Brandon.
Brandon again. He's got 3.
Can you see those at all?
2
Probably
more
not.
slots left.
Possibly.
If people were to pause the video later.
1080,
they
I'm
could
sure.
do that, yeah.
You can.
Chris R.
Chris R.
You might want to step that way a teeny bit.
Back.
Well, yeah, because you're cutting your head off. There you go. That's
Yeah.
beautiful.
This is number 22.
Frank Z. You can't see that at all, but
Frankie.
Frank.
no problem. Michael M.
Michael.
Brandon F.
Brandon.
I don't know why I'm showing these names to the camera. They're so tiny. Most people do. They'll put them onto the computer and then do a random.org randomization.
You guys are old school.
This one is Michael M.
Michael.
Well, we're doing it old school. We are a little bit old school here.
We've been here a long time. We're not old school. We're 25 years
We
here.
got Aiden E.
Aiden.
Grant V.
Grant.
Michael M.
Michael.
Brandon F.
Brandon. That should be his last one.
There's one more in here.
It is.
Joe A.
Joe.
Eric, who's the first to sign up? They should get special recognition, right?
All right, here come the teams.
So here's the teams they're going to line up with.
All right, here we go. So they'll be again in random order, going across the names just as we pulled them.
And then you can look at your slots, and if anyone wants to trade, we'll take a few minutes, we'll pause the camera, we can trade up a little bit.
All right, the first team for Michael M.
Marlins.
Marlins.
They won yesterday.
Yeah.
Team 2, Twins.
Twins. That's for Michael M. also. This is for Bob.
Where's Bob?
Right there behind you.
Oh, you're Bob. Hey, Bob. You're too young to be a Bob. A's.
The A's. This is for Jake, who is not here.
Jake gets Brewers.
Brewers.
That's what we get.
This next one is for Alex.
Indians.
Indians. Next one is for Martin.
Rangers.
Rangers. Next one is for Frank.
Astros.
Astros. Ooh, Korea. Next one is for Martin.
Cubs.
Ooh, Cubs. Next one is for Martin.
Pirates.
Pirates. Number 10 is Michael M.
Michael. Orioles.
Orioles. Where's Jeff?
Next one.
Grant.
Reds.
Reds. Gabriel, you're up next.
Awesome.
Gabriel.
Dodgers.
Padres.
Close, right? Was it
Next
mile
Geographically
radius?
close.
Next one is for Jeff.
Jeff. Red Sox.
Red Sox.
Where's Jeff was at?
Jeff. Single Jeff. Single name, no last name Jeff.
Is that you?
Yep.
I don't know if we've met before.
Hey,
Hey, I'm Eric.
that's me.
Next name, Angels.
And that's for Brandon.
Brandon.
Nice.
Next one,
Number 15 is for Martin.
Royals.
Royals.
Royals for Martin. Martin's got cousin Royals.
16 is for Frank / Nathan.
White Sox.
White Sox. Number 17 is for Michael M.
Tigers.
Tigers. Number 18 is for Aiden.
Aiden. Diamondbacks.
D-backs. Number 19 is for Jeff B.
Braves.
Braves. Number 20 is for Brandon. Where is Brandon?
Couldn't make it. Probably got a team thing. Nationals.
Nets. Ooh.
You're looking over my shoulder to keep me honest, I hope, right?
This
Next
next one's
team.
for Chris, who's not here.
Mariners.
Mariners. Next one is Frank Z.
Rays.
Rays. Number 23, Michael M.
Mets.
Mets. Ooh, some nice players in the Mets. 24 is Brandon.
Dodgers.
Dodgers.
And of course, Brandon's not here to trade.
Oh, gosh, that's a
I don't think he'd trade anyway.
Next
shame.
team,
Michael M.
Yankees.
Yanks. I wonder if Sanchez is in this mix. I haven't seen his card yet.
Next team, Phillies.
Bills.
Goes to
That goes to
You
Aiden.
get all day.
Aiden.
They come out that-
Next one's for Grant.
Grant. Blue Jays.
Jays. Number 28 is Michael M.
Michael M. Cardinals.
Cardinals.
You like them? Cool.
Number 29 is Brandon.
Brandon will love this.
He's a Giants fan.
Giants. He's a huge Giants fan.
And the last one for Joe is not here.
Let's switch that. He's not
Looked
here.
up.
Switch it.
Last team is Rockies
Rockies.
for
That's for Joe Mar.
Joe Mar.
Wait, who's Joe? Is he here?
So there's the list. I'll show it onto
There
the
we go.
camera
Here we
here.
go.
Wait, is he
Jeff,
here?
you want to see if I'm
He's not
getting
here.
close?
Oh, no.
That's good.
Dodgers.
Pull it up and see.
Can you see both sides of it? or-
Yeah,
It's
you're
not
good.
here, huh?
Mr. Giants, who has the Dodgers.
If you're watching the video, you can pause the video. Maybe, is it close enough to see?
Fully legit.
It was
Cool.
Move up a little. No. Basically.
That's the whole list.
So does anybody?
Well, it's not the oldest, but you can.
So you can see the whole thing. So yeah, if you're watching the video at home, you can pause it and see where you line up. But there it is. that's the list. We're going to take a few, and then some people that are here can trade if they like, and then we'll get into the break. All right, here we are at Hall of Fame Baseball Cards in Arcadia, California, and we're about ready to do our 2016 Bowman Chrome Baseball 2-box break. Doing a hobby box, and we're doing a vending box. We already did our drawing. And let's start with the hobby box right here. We're going to break it open.
Ooh.
Pretty.
There we go.
6 packs per.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6 packs per mini box. 2 mini boxes. 1 chrome autograph per mini box. Let's get right into it. This is the fun part. I'm just gonna list off some of the key cards. There's a Robinson Cano. We were just talking about him. Bumgarner, Giants. I don't want this video to be too long. There's a Austin Meadows Arizona Fall League. Those are some nice cards. I don't know if you can see that well enough. Probably not, but that's a Pittsburgh Pirates card, whoever got the Pirates. Well, here's a blue refractor of David Ortiz,
Ooh,
Sweet. There we go.
numbered out of 150.
beautiful.
And what's he known for?
10,000.
10,000 at bats. There you go.
Gary Sanchez, rookie.
Oh, there you go. There was our question about Sanchez. Very nice.
There he is.
Jays, right?
Let's see, Ricardo Pinto, first Bowman card, Phillies. That's kind of a cool looking card. I like the first Bowman cards. Mike Clevenger, Indians, top 100. Those are nice cards. There's a Beltre and a Stanton. Here, first autograph hit, Harrison Bader, first Bowman autograph on card.
It's beautiful.
What team?
Cardinals, I think, right?
Yeah, looks like Cardinals. Yeah.
Cardinals.
Very nice. Who's got the Cardinals? Nice auto.
Who's got
Michael.
Cardinals? Anybody? Michael does.
Michael, there. Congratulations.
Last pack out of this mini box. I see a purple card coming up here. I also see a rookie. The rookie is Corey Seager.
Whoa!
Dodgers.
Congratulations,
Brandon will
Brandon.
get that one. The purple refractor is Nelson Cruz.
Sweet.
Who got
Purple
Seattle
refractor.
Mariners?
Who's got the Mariners with a purple refractor?
Purple's numbered out of 250. Those are nice.
Sweet. Very nice.
On to the second mini box. And we still have a vending box to open. The vending box has 3 autographs.
80 cards and 3 autos.
Another Arizona Fall League for Derek Fisher of the Houston Astros. Those are nice cards.
Yeah.
Followed by a Machado and a Salvador Perez base.
Machado's ripping the ball.
Let's see, Austin Meadows. We got a Steven Piscotty, Chrome Refractor rookie. This is Cardinals.
Oh,
numbered
boy.
out of
That's a very nice
499.
one.
Done
Very
good.
nice.
There's a Robert Stevenson rookie for the Reds.
Yeah, good job for the Reds.
Who got Baltimore?
Who did get Baltimore? I don't know. DJ
Michael.
Wilson, Cubs, first Bowman card. Kevin Newman, Bowman Scouts Updates, top 100. Trey Turner, rookie for the Nationals.
Love to get those rookies. Don't ever throw those Bowman rookies away.
A's, Franklin Barreto base card. Out of the gate, Blake Snell. It's funny, I was watching a YouTube video from, I forget who it was, but they were commenting about why are they called out of the gate when it clearly shows the pitcher breaking out of a wall.
Right.
Right,
And the guy was opening one of these boxes, he just kept commenting on it. I thought it was funny. Why isn't it called out of the wall? Why didn't they put a gate? I don't know. Looking for that second hit. Is it going to be in this pack or the next one? Ooh,
Yeah.
Cubs, Corey Black, on-card autograph.
Sweet, who's got the Cubs?
First Bowman, who's got Cubs? Anyone here? Or is it Cubs?
Oh, I think that's somebody who's
present.
not here.
There's a home viewer. And last pack from the mini box, Ariel Jurado, top 100. We got a Sung Hwan Oh for the Cardinals, rookie card, and a Mike Trout base card for the
Oh,
Angels.
yeah, he's got the Angels.
We like Mike Trout here in LA.
We sure do.
All right, that's the hobby box. Let's move on to the vending box. You can cut the tension with a knife. I feel like Vin Scully needs to be commentating.
Yeah.
Let's see, how do you open these things? Okay, they come from the top like so. And it's 4 jumbo packs.
Oh, wow.
That's how they did it this year. I don't know why they changed the configuration. But there's the 4 jumbo packs. Let's do the first one. We're looking for 3 chrome autographs and who knows what else. All right, top card, Corey Seager, rookie.
Nice. Brandon, congrats again.
Second card, Kyle Waldrop for the Reds, rookie.
A lot of rookies to start.
And some base cards, Tomas, Kane, Kyle Seager, Votto, Tonses, Bryce Harper base card,
Sweet.
Nationals.
Who's got the Nats?
Bumgarner, Giants. Brandon will like that. Here's a couple of black cards. These are nice. Ryan McKenna and Jose De Leon for the Dodgers.
Oh, Jose De Leon pitched the other day, did pretty well.
Oh, yeah.
These aren't numbered, but those are sharp.
Nice.
The blacks. I don't know if y'all can see those, but those are definitely sharp. Jamal Jones, Angels first Bowman card. It's kind of neat. Let's see, Rangers, Reds, Torres for the Cubs. But no autograph in that first pack of the.
Okay, we got 3 more to go.
This one's guaranteed.
Should be 3 autographs. I don't know where it is. I'm just going to go for it. Let's see. Trey Turner, rookie. Miguel Almonte, rookie, Royals. Goldschmidt base. Some more base cards. There's a DeGrom base. Kershaw base. Man, we were so high hopes for Kershaw's return last night, weren't we? Musgrove, top 100. Nick Plummer, Cardinals, top 100. Franklin Reyes, Bowman. I love these black and gold cards. These are nice. Autograph, Jermaine Palacios, Twins. First Bowman card. Anyone have the
Who's got the
Twins?
Twins? Michael, holy cow.
That was like a refractor.
More slots you purchase, the better your odds are for getting teams and getting better cards. We will be doing more of these breaks in the future. This is just a fun time. Here's another Jose De Leon base. Cody Bellinger, Dodgers base. Should be 2 more autos to come. And there are different types of box breaks to do. This is just one type. This is called a random team break. There are also breaks where you can pick your team, but you have to pay more usually for the better teams. So, and then there's a couple other types too. I'm still learning about it all. So, still going. Greg Bird, rookie. Ortiz and Pujols base. Cabrera base. Felix Hernandez, Machado base. Jay Bruce base. Dwayne Underwood, Cubs, tops 100. Alex Verdugo, Dodgers, top 100. Braden Bishop, black. Oh, on card, Seager, rookie.
Oh,
Autograph.
3 of them.
Oh,
Autograph.
wow. Holy cow.
That is numbered out of 250. Brandon is stoked right now.
Holy cow, Brandon. Where are you, Brandon?
Look at that.
I want to touch it.
That's an insert.
Oh, sweet.
Brandon is cleaning up right now. More base cards, DJ Wilson, Cubs, Barreto, Giants. Oh, that was a big hit right there. That's probably the hit of the day. Last pack in our Bowman Chrome box break. Tom Murphy, rookie on top, followed by Frankie Montas, Dodgers on top, rookie. Severino, rookie. Aaron Nola, rookie. There's some good rookies right on top there. 4 of them in a row. Who's got those teams? We got Rockies, Dodgers, Yankees, and Phillies. Anyone here that has those?
Michael's got the Yankees.
There's a Greinke base. Cespedes base. Ooh, I see a purple. Is that an auto? That could be an auto. I might have to save that. Let's see. Oh, it's not. It's not.
It's a Dodge.
It is a Zach Eflin for the Phillies.
Oh,
Purple.
Somebody here's got the Phillies, right? Who's got the Phillies?
Numbered out at 250. That's a nice card. Refractor,
Nope.
purple. I'm going to save that auto for last. Some base cards. Well, the auto is the last auto. Dodgers cleaning up. O'Neal Cruz. First Bowman Chrome
Hey,
auto.
holy cow.
Auto on the Giants.
Oh my gracious.
Looks like Dodgers cleaned up.
No kidding.
Wow. Congratulations, Brandon.
Congratulations. Hey, thanks to everyone. who
Congratulations, everybody.
participated.
Congratulations, you guys.
Thanks for sticking with us. We appreciate your participation. We're going to be doing more of these in the future. Stick around. We'll divvy up the cards per your teams. And we'll be posting this video on YouTube in a little bit for you all at home. Hall of Fame Baseball Cards, please subscribe to our YouTube video. Check us out at halloffamebaseballcards.com, Facebook, Instagram. We're right here in Arcadia, California. We appreciate you watching. Have a great day. Peace.